In the summer of 2024, several Indian cities recorded temperatures crossing 50 degrees Celsius. The India Meteorological Department reported 26 out of 31 days in May as official heatwave days. These conditions led to 374 officially reported heat-related deaths between March and July, along with 67,637 cases of suspected heat stroke across 17 states and 37 cities. A survey conducted by Center for Rapid Insights across 20 states in May 2024 found that 45% of households reported at least one family member falling ill due to the heat. Urban areas are particularly vulnerable. Cities often experience temperatures 10 to 15 degrees higher than surrounding rural regions. This is known as the urban heat island effect. Dense construction, limited vegetation, vanishing water bodies, and the use of heat-absorbing materials contribute to this effect. Air conditioners, vehicles, and industries release waste heat into the environment, further increasing ambient temperatures. A study across 9 Indian cities by the Center for Science and Environment examined land surface temperatures over a 10-year period from 2014 to 2023. The cities included Ahmedabad, Jaipur, Pune, Nagpur, Hyderabad, Delhi, Chennai, Bhubaneswar, and Kolkata. These cities together house over 50 million people. The study revealed that large parts of each city were under chronic heat stress. In Nagpur, 97.8% of the land showed recurring heat stress. In Ahmedabad, it was 95.2%. Chennai followed with 88.5%. Pune with 81.2%. And Jaipur with 79.2%. In Jaipur on May 8, 2023, the average land surface temperature was 47.6 degrees Celsius, with some areas reaching 57.6 degrees. These high temperature zones appeared repeatedly across multiple years and were typically located in densely built areas with limited vegetation and water. One major factor is the loss of green and blue spaces. Between 1999 and 2021, cities saw up to a 47.7% reduction in green cover and up to a 42.9% reduction in water bodies. Trees cool the air through shade and evapotranspiration, while lakes and ponds moderate surrounding temperatures. Their removal increases heat retention. The layout and design of cities also matter. Narrow streets, poor ventilation, and heat-absorbing materials like concrete and asphalt trap more heat. In many low-income neighborhoods, homes are built with metal sheets or tarpaulin that absorb and radiate heat. Poor insulation, lack of ventilation, and unreliable electricity make indoor conditions worse than the outdoors. These areas often lack access to clean water, public health services, and information. The impact on health is significant. According to the 2023 Lancet Countdown on Health and Climate Change, heat-related deaths among people over 65 have increased by 85% since the 1990s. Children are also at risk because their bodies cannot regulate temperature effectively. Women in outdoor occupations face heat-related stress, and those with pre-existing health conditions suffer more. Outdoor workers such as construction laborers and street vendors are exposed to direct sunlight for long periods, increasing the risk of dehydration, heat exhaustion, and long-term illnesses. Respiratory diseases, skin disorders, high blood pressure, and mental health issues such as stress and anxiety are also linked to prolonged heat exposure. The economic impact is severe. According to The Lancet, India lost 191 billion work hours in 2022 due to heat exposure. This is a 54% increase compared to the 1991 to 2000 average. The associated economic loss is estimated at $219 billion or 6.3% of the country's GDP. Even under a moderate warming scenario, work hour losses are expected to double between 2041 and 2060. Energy demand has also surged. According to the India Energy Outlook 2021, the country's energy consumption has more than doubled since 2000, largely due to cooling needs. Air conditioners release additional heat outdoors, creating a feedback loop. During peak summer months, cities in Rajasthan, Punjab, and Haryana face frequent power cuts as demand exceeds supply. Urban water systems are strained. The Ministry of Jal Shakti reported that around 330 million people were affected by water shortages in 2024. States such as Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu experienced drought-like conditions. Higher temperatures increase evaporation and raise water demand, worsening the crisis. Infrastructure struggles to cope. Roads and railway lines expand and crack. Buildings without insulation trap heat indoors. Power grids fail and transport services slow down. Vulnerability assessments in Kolkata found that nearly 50% of wards faced moderate to high heat risk. These areas had high concentrations of low-income families, children, the elderly, and poor access to services. Heat action plans exist in many cities, but most focus on emergency response. Long-term strategies are needed. City master plans should include heat mitigating design, green infrastructure, and thermal performance standards. Urban heat is not just about rising temperatures. It is about rising risks to health, safety, productivity, and quality of life. The data is clear. Cities now need to act.